Swiss racer Laura Villars is taking a stand against the FIA, filing a lawsuit to contest their presidential election process. But why? It's a story of blocked ambitions and a controversial rule. Villars, a Swiss racing driver, had her sights set on the FIA presidency, planning to challenge the incumbent, Mohammed Ben Sulayem, in the December election. However, an unusual quirk in the FIA's election rules has left her as the only candidate who can run. Her legal team has requested a Parisian court to halt the election, scheduled for December 12, 2025, until the dispute is resolved. The court has agreed to hear the case on November 10th. In a statement to BBC Sport, Villars emphasized that her action is not an attack on the FIA, but a defense of its principles. She said, "This procedure is about upholding the FIA's commitment to governance, transparency, and democracy, as outlined in Article 1.3 of its statutes. As a French law association, the FIA should adhere to these values." But here's where it gets controversial. Villars' argument hinges on a technicality. The FIA, in response, maintains that their election process is fair and democratic. However, this isn't the first time it has been challenged. In 2013, David Ward obtained an injunction when running against Jean Todt, and in 2009, Ari Vatanen entered mediation after challenging Todt, following Max Mosley's decision to step down. So, will Villars' case succeed? If it does, the election could be paused until an investigation into the FIA's governance processes is completed. If that takes longer than the time remaining before the election, Ben Sulayem would remain in power but with limited authority. This legal battle raises questions about the FIA's election rules and their impact on democracy within the organization. Is the current system fair and transparent? You decide.